In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with Temu to remove checkout limits smoothly and efficiently. This can be particularly useful if you find yourself wanting to make purchases without any unnecessary restrictions holding you back. Let's jump into the process right away, and rest assured, I'll guide you through each step with clarity and precision so you can complete this task with confidence. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Temu website. It's the starting point for initiating the conversation with their customer support team. Once you're on the website, allow the page to load fully to ensure all elements are functioning correctly. Now let's locate the support section. This is typically found at the top right corner of the web page. Move your cursor over this section and you'll notice a drop-down menu appear. Within this menu, look for the option that says Chat with Temu. This feature is your gateway to directly communicating with their support representatives. Click on that option and a chat window should automatically pop up on your screen. In this chat window, you're going to begin the interaction. A good starting message is to type "Remove checkout limits." This phrase clearly indicates the purpose of your inquiry, allowing the customer support team to quickly understand what help you need. After sending this initial message, brace yourself for a small Q&A session. The support team might ask you a couple of follow-up questions to better understand your situation and provide the best assistance possible. These questions could be about your account details or specifics about your shopping experience. Simply answer them thoroughly and honestly, providing any information that might help them lift the restrictions on your account. Once you've gone through this back and forth exchange, the only thing left to do is to follow any further instructions they may give you. Typically, these interactions are resolved fairly quickly, but do be patient. Customer support is there to help, so engage with them positively to ensure a smooth experience. By now, you should have successfully communicated your request to remove checkout limits, with a solution likely implemented or well on its way. If everything's done correctly, you can look forward to enjoying a freer shopping experience. With this guide, you should feel empowered to address any checkout limitations with confidence and ease. That's all for today's walkthrough. Remember, a key part of handling online interactions is patience and clarity in communication. I hope this guide was helpful and has equipped you with the know-how to enhance your shopping experiences. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if any other inquiries come up that you'd like assistance with. Happy shopping!